Hello students and welcome back. So now we are going to talk about one online Verilog simulator. That means we have one option using which we don't need Vivado, but we can still code and practice the Verilog coding. So in this video we are going to talk about a web-based Verilog simulator. We will discuss that what are the facilities that we get and what are the limitations that this platform have. So let us get started. So why do we need a web-based simulator? If you have problem with Vivado, you are not able to install it, or you find that Vivado is quite heavy software and you are not able to run it properly on your PC. So in that case, you can use this web-based simulator, and it is available at edaplayground.com. So this is the website on which you have this simulator available. When we talk about the features, it is a free platform to run your Verilog codes online. This simulator is having commercial as well as free simulators, and all of them without any cost. So you can use these simulators on cloud. You can save your files and you can generate waveforms also. So these are the facilities that we have. Now it looks that we have a good number of features which are good enough to practice the Verilog coding. But this platform does not give all the features that we have on Vivado. So what are the limitations? Let us have a look at those as well. So first of all, you cannot have schematics. It will only give you the waveforms. You cannot connect your code with FPGA. That means there is no support to connect any hardware. So it is only for the coding part. You have to write your test benches. In the next module, we will see that there are two different ways of simulating. One by waveforms that we briefly discussed in the previous video also when we were discussing about Vivado, where we generated the waveforms. The second method is manually writing them using a text-based code. So in this platform, you don't have the GUI option. You have to write the test benches, and without writing the test bench, you cannot even check the syntax of your Verilog code, and it requires internet. So if you are offline, then you cannot work. So we have some good advantages as far as coding practice is concerned, but it is not a complete replacement of Vivado. So now let us have a quick walkthrough and see that what do we get on EDA Playground. So this is the website, and when you come, this is the login screen. You can log in using your Google or Facebook ID, or you can create your own account as well. Once you log in, then here is the editor window. On the right side, we are going to write the Verilog code. On the left side, we have to mention the test bench. On this left panel, we select that which language are we going to use, what is going to be my simulator, a free simulator or a commercial simulator, and then there will be more features or more tasks that can be assigned depending on the simulator that you select. You can save your codes, you can run your codes. Let me show you one sample program. So for that, I am going to go to my profile and then go to your playground, and here are the codes that you have saved. Go to the code, and here is the Verilog code, and here is the test bench. How to write these test bench, we'll learn about these. Okay, save and run. So once you run it, you will get the output here also, which you are seeing that output sum is equal to 0, carry is equal to 0, sum is 1, carry is 1, and all these. And when we want to see the waveforms, it is also going to show us. And here you can see A and B are my input, C and S, that means sum and carry, these are my outputs. So these are the things that we get on EDA Playground. It is very easy to use, but it will require some coding skills to write the test benches as well. And as I already mentioned, you cannot go for synthesis, implementation, or the bit stream generation for the FPGA implementation. These will be the limitations, but if you just want to check the syntax and if your code is working fine, this is a great platform. So students, now we know about different platforms that we are going to use. Let us talk about one very important topic, and that is FPGA boards. We'll talk about that in the next video. Keep learning. Thank you.